Welcome back to the channel, Crypto Tro. I am Crypto Tro, bringing you the latest and the greatest in cryptocurrencies for beginners. And today, I'm going to talk about how the US can possibly have a Bitcoin ETF in the near future. And I believe it's coming sooner than later. But before we deep dive into this article, make sure you hit that like, hit that subscribe button, man. We're currently at 175 subscribers. Like I said, at 200 subscribers, I'm doing the Harmony 1 giveaway. I'm going to continue to do giveaways on my channel. I love giving away crypto. And also, I just want to push forward this technology. Like, crypto is the future. If you don't know, man, now you know. Let's take a look, 5 years from now, even, less than that maybe. But we'll see crypto seamlessly integrate with everyday technology. So let's get straight into it. All right, so Grayscale 100% committed to turning GBTC into Bitcoin ETF, according to their CEO. So Bitcoin is just a couple of points of maturation away from getting an approved ETF in the US, says Grayscale CEO. The head of crypto investment Grayscale believes that only a couple of maturation points separate the United States from its first Bitcoin ETF. Speaking to CNBC on July 19th, Michael, I don't know how to say his last name, but he reiterated that a US ETF is a matter of not if, but when. So basically, regulators, they have 13 ETF applications under consideration, and the US lags behind neighboring Canada when it comes to giving them the green light. Years of applications and rejections have gone by, and some believe that an ETF will ultimately create bearish price pressure for Bitcoin in the long term. Nonetheless, Grayscale CEO says the firm is 100% committed to transforming its Bitcoin product, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, to ETFs once conditions are right. I think in our seat, from our view of the world, we're looking for a couple of different points of maturation in the underlying market, and that's the really final stages of what we think regulators need to approve these types of products and give investors the protections that they're looking for, he told the network. Last week, Grayscale announced a partnership with US banking giant BNY Mellon, which will now provide services for GBTC when it undergoes its metamorphosis. GBTC is already in the headlines in crypto circles over its unlocking event, the largest of which occurred Sunday, with opinions mixed over their potential price impact. So institutional advances continue to surface the month despite low volumes and overall lack of direction of the market. As Cointelegraph reported, Bank of America reportedly gave the green light for Bitcoin futures trading last week. A survey, meanwhile, showed that existing institutional BTC investors are far from done with the asset, with 40% saying they plan to buy more in the future. So this is major because with it, when Bitcoin, it's gonna come a time with Bitcoin, it's just gonna be a store of value. Like, I'm not a Bitcoin maxi. If you look at my channel, I rarely talk about Bitcoin because I know Bitcoin is like gold. It's a store of value. Not saying that the price isn't gonna go up, but at some point it's gonna just stagnate. It's just gonna be somewhere you can place your money for, to go against inflation. And we're going to see all of these DeFi products pop up. So I believe that's going to be major in the future, the ETF, and the US is already behind. We see how the US is falling so far behind. I'm really afraid to see what's the future for the US. Well, not afraid. I know it's going to always be, the land of the free, all of that. But as far as the financials with the US, we're already in a crazy hole. And then they're so far behind on everything, especially blockchain things. It's crazy, man. Like, go and approve the ETF. Like, let's make it happen. Let's get that Bitcoin ETF approved. But that's just, another thing that I think the US could work on is just trying to stay ahead of this crypto space, because we know cryptos are the future. And we see how Bank of America just gave the green light for trading Bitcoin futures, and this is a bank. Banks are seeing what the clients want. People want Bitcoin. People want to be able to trade Bitcoin, and by having access through institutional places where you can go through and feel safe to actually invest, I think it's, bringing more people into crypto and bringing crypto to the front of, average American who trade. And we also see how 40% of people plan on buying more Bitcoin in the future. So that's a major thing as well. People who hold Bitcoin, they're just going to continue to buy Bitcoin because they know this is the way to wealth as far as the crypto space. Bitcoin, we know right now everything follows Bitcoin, so everybody's going to ride that Bitcoin wave, and as it goes up, we're going to see more people come into crypto. Another article I wanted to talk about and that I found interesting was Robinhood warns a crypto revenue drop is coming amid IPO filing. So according to the trading app, it expects its Q3 2021 revenue to be lower as a result of increased crypto trading in the first quarter, driven in part by Dogecoin. So stock and cryptocurrency trading app Robinhood is expecting its quarterly revenue to decrease based on significantly high trading volume earlier this year. In an amendment to its Form S-1 filed with the United States Securities and Exchange Commissions on Monday, Robinhood reported that its trading activity for January and February was particularly high, but had dropped by the end of the second quarter of 2021. According to the trading app, it expects its Q3 2021 revenue to be lower as a result of decreased levels of trading activity relative to the record highs in trading activity, particularly in cryptocurrency. So we see how in February it was at an all-time high. You know how the markets were peaking in March, everything was going crazy. We seen all-time highs in May with Dogecoin. So we knew that everybody was loading up on Dogecoin earlier that year. And me personally, I don't know why people, bought Dogecoin on Robinhood. Well, I do know why. It's easier. It's the easiest way to buy cryptos, really, especially since Robinhood already has so many users, and really people just started on Robinhood probably, from a family member, or just want to get started with stocks and just heard about Dogecoin and just started going in while everybody else was going in, just pretty much on the hype. And me personally, I did have Robinhood. I haven't been investing in stocks as of lately because I really been more so focused on cryptocurrency. But I can tell you now, having cryptos on Robinhood is bad news. You don't want to own cryptos on Robinhood because pretty much you really don't own them. You don't have the keys to them. Robinhood is not a wallet. You cannot store your cryptos on Robinhood. You only own them on paper. So that was just my little 2 cents. Let's get back into the article. So Robinhood reported its total revenue experienced year-over-year growth of more than 123% from $244 million at the end of the second quarter of 2020 to between an expected $546 million and $574 million on June 30th. The difference in revenue is driven in part due to increased trading activity related to options and cryptocurrency. According to the trading app, 17% of its total revenue for Q1 2021 was derived from transaction-based revenues earned from crypto transactions, compared with 4% in the previous quarter. So we see the increase, and I think that's a good thing. More people are interested in cryptos, but I think they have to be better educated because we know Robinhood is not the best place to store your cryptos. So Robinhood reported that more than 9 million customers traded roughly 88 billion in cryptocurrency in the first quarter of 2021. While it had 12 billion in crypto assets under custody as of March 31st. In addition, 34% of the quarterly revenue was directly from Dogecoin. So the price of the token surged significantly in late January before reaching an all-time high of more than 68 cents on March 6th. So Robinhood claimed that its business could be adversely affected if the markets for Dogecoin deteriorate or if the price of Dogecoin declines, without similar demand for other tokens on the app. So pretty much Robinhood went crazy with Dogecoin. Everybody was buying Dogecoin. The Dogecoin sensation, it was like going crazy. Now Robinhood is pretty much saying that Dogecoin, we can see by the numbers, Dogecoin pretty much gave Robinhood its boost in revenue, especially on the crypto side. And with the, Doge sanity went down so fast, of course Robinhood gonna still be around because it's no other platform that is currently rivaling it right now. So we'll continue to see a decrease in revenue if Robinhood does not continue to add meme coins to their platform. So that's pretty much my video for today. Just want to talk about the possibility of a ETF, Bitcoin ETF coming to the United States, and also how Robinhood pretty much banked off of adding Dogecoin to their platform, their trading platform. So that's my video for today. I'm Crypto Tro. I'm out of here.